Hello, if you want to take a long screenshot or scrolling screenshot on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all you need to have an app or a website page opened that has scrolling, where you can scroll. So I'm gonna use Google app as an example because we have infinite scrolling over here. And in order to capture the long screenshot, then first of all we need to capture the screenshot in one of the standard ways. So let's say I'm gonna use the shortcut of the power button and volume down button. Because if you press these two, then you can take the screenshot, and then you can press scroll in the top right corner. And now you can keep scrolling in order to choose the area which will be captured. Of course, everything above is still captured. Here you just selected the end point of the screenshot. So let's say I'm gonna stick it to this point, and now you can press done. And as you can see, we have long screenshot. Now we need to save it, press this check in the top right corner, and that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!